Consistent and high purity nucleic acid extraction are the backbone of the gut microbiome research. Increase the consistency of your nucleic acid extraction from stool sample while reducing your time in the lab by using the EZ2 PowerFecal Pro DNA RNA kit. Whether you are in biotechnology, pharmaceutical, oncobiome, or microbiome research, the EZ2 PowerFecal Pro DNA RNA kit is your key to more reliable results in minimal hands-on time. Today, we will show you how to automate your stool sample extraction on the EZ2 Connect. If you're familiar with the Power Pro line, the kit has the same basic components and the technology works the same way. The novelty of the EZ2 protocol is that the lysis and the inhibitor removal technology are combined in one manual step. During the disruption step in the Tissue-Lyser 3, we will set up the cartridges into the EZ2 Connect. Each cartridge contains enough buffer for one reaction. Each of the wells has reagents such as magnetic particles, wash buffer, or elution buffer. The kit isolates total nucleic acid, DNA only, or RNA only, depending on the protocol that you choose. For total nucleic acid extraction, use the cartridge as it is. For DNA only protocol, pipette the RNAs into the sample supernatant, and there's no need to mix. For RNA-only protocol, prepare the DNAs and pipette onto the position 12 of the EZ2 PowerFecal Pro cartridge. On the home screen of the EZ2 Connect, click on the application Microbe, then select the EZ2 PowerFecal Pro DNA RNA kit. Then you have the choice between three protocols: DNA only, RNA only, and total nucleic acid extraction. And now select the sample positions according to the number of preps that you want to process. Enter your sample ID or push the Generate Missing ID samples. And now load the cartridge rack. And now we're going to load the holder. It has been pre-filled with the 2 ml tubes in position A with your sample, tip holders in position C, and the elution tube in position D. Now start the run and enjoy the time ahead of you. Great! The protocol is finished now. You can collect your nucleic acid from the rack and continue with your PCR, NGS, or downstream application. For more information, visit this link.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.